Welcome to my Estateguru review. In today's video, I'll be exploring this real estate investment platform and sharing my thoughts on its features, usability, and investment opportunities. Estateguru is a platform that connects investors with real estate projects across Europe, enabling you to invest in property loans and earn returns through passive income. To start, the website is very user-friendly. Upon visiting Estateguru, you are greeted with an intuitive interface where you can easily navigate through different investment options. The main focus here is real estate crowdfunding, which allows you to invest in property-backed loans. These loans are offered by borrowers who need funding for their real estate projects. Once you sign up and create an account, you will gain access to a variety of investment projects. Estateguru categorizes them based on loan types, such as property development, renovation, and bridge loans. Each project comes with detailed information about the loan, such as the loan amount, interest rate, repayment terms, and risk level. Investors can choose to invest in projects that match their risk tolerance and financial goals. The platform offers both short-term and long-term investment options, with interest rates that vary depending on the type of loan and its associated risk. Now, let's talk about the investment process. It's quite simple. You can start by selecting a project, and once you decide to invest, you will be asked to enter the amount you wish to invest. Estateguru has a minimum investment amount, which is quite affordable for most investors. Once your investment is placed, you'll receive regular updates about the project's progress, and your returns will be paid out based on the terms of the loan. Many useful links can be found in the description, so be sure to check them out after watching this video. These resources can help you understand more about real estate investing and other platforms, as well as provide further insights into passive income strategies. Overall, Estateguru is a great platform for those interested in real estate crowdfunding. It offers a diverse range of investment opportunities with transparent terms and competitive returns. However, as with any investment, it's important to understand the risks involved and carefully consider which projects align with your investment goals. If you're looking to diversify your investment portfolio and enter the world of real estate, Estateguru might be worth exploring. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content on real estate investing and other investment platforms. Thanks for watching.